Need an experienced locksmith in Melbourne you can rely on? At Your Local Locksmith, we provide professional, fast and dependable locksmith services for homes, businesses and strata properties across Melbourne. Whether you're locked out, need locks rekeyed or want to upgrade to high security or smart locking systems, our licensed technicians deliver precise, compliant and efficient solutions. Available 24/7. We understand that security is critical, which is why every service is carried out with accuracy, transparency and care. From emergency call-outs to preventative maintenance, we're committed to safeguarding your property. As a trusted local locksmith in Melbourne, we combine modern tools with proven expertise to ensure lasting protection and peace of mind. For immediate assistance or a free quote, visit www.yourlocallocksmith.com.au or call 047 383 1734. Your Local Locksmith, where Melbourne's security starts.